Sai Hira everybody. With the blessings of Sai Hira, today we are making Sambhar, a warm, comforting dish that truly feels like home. This dish pairs beautifully with dosa, idli, or warm rice.
In a cooker, take soaked tur dal, water, salt, Kashmiri red chili,
Turmeric,
chili paste, ginger paste, and curry patta. That is curry leaves. Now close the cooker and give it 4-5 whistles.
until the dal becomes soft and well cooked. Meanwhile, in another pot, boil the drumsticks and pumpkin in water until they are tender. Now heat some oil in a pan and add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and curry leaves. Allow them to gently sputter. Add chopped onions. Now add ginger paste, garlic paste, and green chili paste. Mix everything very well. Add turmeric and sambar masala. Now add the boiled pumpkin and drumsticks along with the water they were cooked in. Add the cooked tur dal from the cooker and mix everything gently. To this, add tamarind, jaggery, and salt.
For the tempering, heat oil in a pan, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, curry leaves, asafoetida, and sambar masala. Pour this tadka over the sambar and garnish it with coriander leaves.